They say if you think you're too small to make a difference, try going to sleep with a mosquito in your room. Never ever think you're too small to make a difference. Never ever think you're too small to make a change. Never ever think you're too small to dream big. Start wherever you are, with whatever you've got, and one day your dreams will surely come true. All the rich and successful people you see today started from somewhere. Jeff Bezos started Amazon in 1994 in his garage. He didn't even have enough money to rent an office space, but now he's the richest man in the world, worth over $163 billion. And it's sad that he could be the first trillionaire in the world. Steve Jobs used to sleep on his friend's floor. He was so broke that he had to return Coke bottles for 5 cents in order to buy food to eat. He dropped out of college and started Apple with his friend Steve Wozniak in a garage. Now Apple is worth $1 trillion. Sylvester Stallone, the Hollywood megastar, was so broke that he had to sell his dog for $40 in order to feed himself and his family. Now he is worth millions of dollars. So it doesn't really matter where you are right now. It doesn't really matter your level of education. It doesn't really matter how old you are. It doesn't really matter how poor you think you are. All you gotta do is to keep that fire burning. Never give up on your dreams. Never give up on your goals. Never ever give up on your God-given talents and capabilities. Never look down on yourself because of your current condition. Keep your head up and keep trying day after day. Keep working at it, and one day you will surely make it. Shalom. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. If you want to receive more videos from me on WhatsApp, you can join my WhatsApp group by going to my Facebook page. That is Dr. Dennis Bento. When you get there, just click on like and then click on follow. Don't forget to click on see first, else you won't see all my posts. You can find my WhatsApp link on any of my posts. Just click on the link and click OK. That's it, you're in. Just so you know, this is a closed group. It's not for chatting, it's not for posting. Only I and my team can post in this group. When you join this group, you can send me a DM, you can ask me questions, you can send me your prayer requests, and I and my team are gonna pray for you. Thanks for watching. See you next time.